The all-new 2024 Crosstrek debuted at the Chicago Auto Show. The 2024 Crosstrek has been designed around the concept of utility and sportiness that lends itself to an active lifestyle. The versatile Crosstrek features 60/40 folding rear seatbacks with both seatbacks down. The cargo area can increase to 54.7 cubic feet of usable space. The 41-inch wide rear gate opening with low lift over height allows easy loading and unloading. The base and premium are equipped with a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder direct injection Subaru Boxer engine, producing 152 horsepower and 145 pounds-per-feet of torque. The Sport and Limited upgrade to a 2.5-liter Boxer engine, delivering a responsive 182 horsepower and 178 pounds-per-feet of torque. Standard on all trim levels is a Lineartronic CVT. The SUV's drivetrain is further enhanced with standard active torque vectoring and the SI Drive Performance Management System. The base and premium come standard with 17-inch alloy wheels, and the Sport and Limited upgrade to 18-inch alloy wheels. The 2024 Crosstrek also receives a version of the WRX's dual-pinion electronic power steering rack, providing a more direct and natural steering feel and greater responsiveness. Standard on all 2024 Crosstrek models is the latest version of the EyeSight driver assist technology. Additional available active safety features that include reverse automatic braking and blind spot detection with lane change assist and rear cross traffic alert. Automatic emergency steering is now included on all models equipped with blind spot detection with lane keep assist and rear cross traffic alert. Standard rear seat reminders designed to help prevent child and/or pet entrapment by alerting the driver to check the rear seat before exiting the vehicle. All trim levels feature remote keyless access, tire pressure monitoring system with individual wheel display, steering responsive LED headlights with automatic high beam, welcome lighting, and power door locks, window and side mirrors. The Crosstrek will be available in base, premium, sport, and limited trim levels and has a starting price of $24,995 US.